Like I said, I was cleaning up the grill. Gonna shoot it with some gloss black. You can see what it is like now. Now I just cleaned it up with soap and water, wiped it down with acetone, and then gonna shoot it with some primer here, and then buy a can of gloss black and hit it one more time. That's it for now. So I had a bit of time, decided to spruce up the grill a little bit. It's not perfect, but I think it's quite a bit better than the way it was earlier. I just went with the sanded it down, hit it with a primer, some gloss black. Of course, I taped over the Ford and the hood safety latch little message there. It really needs another sanding with like about 400 or 800 grit, and then hit it again, but I'm just gonna call it good. It's definitely better than it was. So I'm going to go over and put it on and see what it looks like. And there it is. There's only 4 screws that hold it on. A couple little feet at the bottom that fit into a little socket. For some reason this side's a little bit loose, but it's just the way it is. Looks a little bit better now.